Do you want to add music to your Messenger notes? It's easy to do. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to attach a song or a clip of a song to your notes, which you can share with your friends. First, open the Facebook Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, you'll notice your friend's notes at the top of the screen. Tap on your own note to open it. On the new screen, look for the music icon below your profile picture and tap on it. This will take you to a new page where you can scroll through a list of songs or use the search bar to find a specific track you want to add. Once you've found the song, simply tap on it to include it in your note. You can then drag to select the portion of the music you want to share. When you are happy with your selection, tap Done at the top. Next, you can add a caption in the Share Your Thoughts section. Finally, hit Share at the top of the screen. Your note with music is now ready and will be visible to your friends. By following these simple steps, you can easily add music to your Facebook Messenger notes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips.